A lot of people may look at me and think, I want your life. I want to have the things that you have. Okay, start by doing the things that I'm doing on a daily basis. I'm gonna go to the beach today, so it's about 8:30 right now, so we got maybe an hour until the 9:30 open. Ideally, even if we don't make money, we're still gonna be on the beach. It's like I like NAS, but it already hit my target and fully dropped off, and it's like dropping. It happens at 10, that'll make it even more likely. We're about to go see if they got food over here. Just had a shit out here. I like to have these balcony talks. I feel like I kind of get a one-to-one talk with you guys, and we have lightning featuring in the background. Good morning, everybody. New day, new money. Today is Monday. So all of the stuff we went over Saturday with the weekly market breakdown, reviewing all of the trades from last week, the trades that made me money, the trades that lost me money, the trades that I missed, going over patience, the reason I went 3 days not trading last week, all of that stuff is to get us prepared for Monday, get us prepared for this week. That doesn't mean I'm gonna take any trades today. That doesn't mean I'm gonna make money, lose money. But all it means is today there's an opportunity that I make money or lose money or miss another trade. That's just what it comes down to as a trader. There's 3 possibilities every single day that you take a trade. You win some, you lose some, or you miss some. What are they gonna be the chances? I don't know. We're gonna see, but I'm also gonna go to the beach today. So it's about 8:30 right now. So we got maybe an hour until the 9:30 open. We got a nice little drive. We're getting everything packed up, getting my laptop, getting my camera, just getting all the accessories and everything, just getting the crib just ready so we can dip. And yeah, it's going to be a great day. Ideally, even if we don't make money, we're still going to be on the beach. Best case, we make some money and we get to enjoy the beach. But we're going to see. Last week, we only won Monday because it was a slow week. Maybe we can make it repeat. So let's see what we can do. All right, right now we're in the car. About to put coolant in the car, but I want to wait for the car to cool down before I put the coolant in so I don't burn myself. So we're going to wait for the car to cool.
They already broke previous days highs.
Damn, they loud as shit.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Trying to connect to my headsets. They are loud. And my headset's not connecting. Amazing. Are these alive? Technical difficulties. It's already 9:30. I don't even know if they're gonna work like this, but I'm gonna see you guys with the team. I wanted longs, but this shit is up and out of there. Yeah, I can see Nas pushing for giving a better entry than 30 because Nas hasn't pushed it really. 30's gone. 30 is gone. Nas, I can still target that previous high. I'll probably look at Nas. I think 30's kind of clipped for now. Like I'm over here trying to call out the idea for Nas, and Nas is just about to leave now. Bro, I feel like I've been going through this for the past week. Bro. All right, back to waiting. Nothing. It's gone now. It's just tough. It's like I like NAS, but it already hit my target and fully dropped off, and it's like dropping. So it's like I'm definitely gonna be careful. NAS might be chalked for me. It's just gonna keep falling how it is. But besides that, I'm gonna watch 30 at 10 o'clock to see if it retraces 4-hour gap. Because 30 ran that previous day's high too, but it wasn't as well. It ran the previous day high over here. But the previous day's high. I think this is like the high from Wednesday. Because it has some probability. It's just, if it happens at 10, that'll make it even more likely. Because then we'll at least close bullish for 9. Even though it's a crazy wick, it'll still somehow close bullish.
Just waiting right now. As right now, still waiting for a possible trade on US 30. Maybe if it retraces to take it higher. Still got some time in the car on our way to. So, yeah. Car got the coolant and everything inside of it now. Now we're just here trying to see what we could do, but not everything is trading day, and it doesn't look like we're going to get a trade as of right now. 0 trades. Zero trades. I was willing to take a few trades, but I ain't gonna lie, the market was kind of up and down, choppy, doing a whole lot of back and forth shit, and honestly, I'm not here for it. I'm going to just head to the beach. How much longer we got to the beach? We still got 30 minutes to the beach, but car cooling is good. Car wash is good. All the car tires is good. The car's up and running and doing what it needs to do. But yeah, I'm enjoying being in the passenger seat. Take this headset off. Hey, yeah, let's go for it. All right, we're at the beach now. We're about to take everything out the car. About to get in my beach attire, take this hoodie off because it's hot as shit outside. Not gonna lie, this weather is going crazy. It's only going to be 85, but the sun is hitting over here right now. It's 81 degrees. Let's see what it feels like.
Feels like 84. Still pretty hot. Yeah, I'm bringing you guys with the camera on my phone. So yeah, I'll see you on the beach.
Alright, we're at the beach and everything. We dropped our umbrella and everything off. We're about to go see if they got food over here. It's hot as shit out here. Reminds me of Puerto Rico. Just not as good food. So we're gonna hope for the best. And then I'm gonna bring you guys and show you the beach.
Chicken fingers. Like I said, it's not Puerto Rico food, but I'll take it. It's cool.
And now we're back on the beach after eating some food. Whole lot of people on the beach, I ain't gonna lie. But you know, it's all good, I guess. I'm just trying to see this water.
And this is our little station over here. We about to get up out of here. We've been here for a little bit. It's mad hot out here. And we about to go to the Sarasota Mall. Yeah, I'm not trying to get no more sunburnt out here. Nice water. It was fun. But I'm hot as shit. All right, we are back in the car. It's hot as shit. Hot as shit. Hot as shit. The water felt good though, not gonna lie. The water did feel good, but I'm back out here. We're about to head to Sarasota Mall. It's probably like 30 minutes going towards the apartment. So an hour drive, 30 minutes of it's gonna go to the mall. So we're gonna see what it's like over there. I think we've been there before, but last time I went to Sarasota Mall, if I did go, I more than likely wasn't really looking around to see what they had like that. So we gonna see what's up. Let's hop back on the drive. It was a good little beach day. But yeah, now we back on the road again. And it's only 147.
Good Lambo. Had to park next to him. For the culture. Gotta do it every single time. It's a great John. I need it.
We made it back to the cribbo, but we're about to go get some food cleaned up. Got the all black attire and everything. But like I said, we about to go get some food at a place I haven't been before. It's a place that's been like 5 minutes away the entire time that I've basically been in Tampa, and I've still never been there. But we're gonna go there for the first time today. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Probably gonna get a steak dinner as always. So we're gonna see how good their steak is. I'm gonna rate it 1 out of 10. And I'm gonna bring you along for the journey. So let's go get some food. Made it to the spot. It has a nice low view. Cool place. Just ordered our food. It's time to wait.
Good old food.
Now I'm about to dig in. Tour that food up. No cap.
We came to like Sparkman, this place in downtown Tampa. My girlfriend's running to the car because it's drizzling and she straightened her hair. But we got like these. I got a milkshake. She got like a strawberry something. But yeah, got it from Sparkman. We about to be on our way home, and I'm gonna have a talk with you guys. You know the vibes. Another day of game. And boys and gals, I am back at the crib, and I want to have like a little talk with you guys. I like to have these balcony talks. I can feel like I kind of get a one-to-one talk with you guys, and we have lightning featuring in the background. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't start pouring. But even if it does, I'm gonna make sure I get this point to you guys, because I want you guys to understand you can change your life. Everything I could do, everything you see me doing on a daily basis, why can't you do the same thing? You see me trading, you see me going to the gym, you see me waking up every day and just working. I'm not doing anything different. I can promise you guys. A lot of people may look at me and think, I want your life. I want to have the things that you have. Okay, start by doing the things that I'm doing on a daily basis, because there's nothing I'm doing that you can't. I wake up every day, I post content. I wake up every day, I follow my trading rules. I wake up every day, I trade my live account, I trade my funded account. I'm doing one or the other. I may not even get a trade, for example, like today. I didn't get a trade today. One thing that most people can't do in my position is not force a trade. One thing most people in my position can't do is have the discipline to not take a trade. One thing a lot of people in my position, or people that want to be in my position, can't do is show up knowing I want to make money. Show up knowing I want to feel good. I want to catch a trade. I want to be able to show you guys a winning, profitable trade, and still not chasing it or making it happen. Because there's no reason I couldn't have just tried to force a trade, just try to hop in to hop in. Anybody could do that. But that's not no skill. I can't replicate that long term. I can't scale that. I can't scale just randomly doing whatever I want and hoping for the best. That is gambling. And that's why most people don't succeed in trading, because most people are gamblers. You understand that? You got to have a system. You have to have an edge. You have to be doing something strategically. You have to have a plan and process that you are following, trying to get a certain result. And I didn't get my setup today, and that's perfectly fine. I just had a session with the team yesterday, and I gave you a couple of clips from yesterday's vlog on exactly why patience is important. An example just like this. Most people can't do this, and it's doing nothing. Most people can't do nothing. Ain't that crazy? The hardest thing is doing nothing. Don't get out that trade. Don't take a trade. Don't move that stop loss. Don't move the TP. Don't take another trade. A lot of the times, do nothing is going to solve a lot of the things that you have questions in your head, a lot of the doubts, a lot of the lack of confidence you may have. Do nothing. Because trust me, you're just going to give yourself time to think. You're going to give yourself time to reflect on what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what you think might be the best decision. And you might miss a trade from being patient. You might not get a trade at all from being patient. And that's okay. That's part of the process. Not every day is going to be a trading day. Not taking a trade is still a good trade. This is about capital preservation. We want to be able to make money online forever. We want to be able to have a job outside of a 9 to 5, right? This is my job. Trading is my job. That is a way that I make my money to live. I got to treat it like that. I got to understand that I need to stay in the game because my bills, my dogs that are out here that depend on me and the money that I make from these charts. This is a real business and you got to treat it like a real business. And that's what most people don't do. They don't think long term. Do nothing. Be patient. You're not going to get a trade every day. Focus on longevity because I wasn't winning forever. There's been a lot of times I've been on losing streaks. A lot of times I've been on losing months, losing weeks. I'm not always winning, and I'm also not always losing. It's a yin-yang effect. You have pros, you have cons. But I always tell all my students it's one simple formula. If you can make sure that all of your wins are significantly bigger than your losses and just make sure you're winning more than you lose, you will make money trading. It's as simple as that. The simple formula for making money trading is if you can make more money than you lose on your trades and make sure that you win more than you lose, you can make money long term. I can promise you that. It may not be $1 million, may not be $100,000, but I can promise you, you can replace your job. I promise you, you can make a couple $1,000s a month to be able to afford a penthouse, to be able to afford a nice car. This stuff doesn't cost that much money. In the grand scheme of things, it does not. A couple $1,000s a month goes a long way. You don't need to be having that $100,000, $200,000 a month like profit to be able to live like this. You don't. I make a lot of money, and a lot of that money gets saved. Like, I don't need that crazy money to afford this lifestyle. And that's what I want you guys to also understand too. That life that you want is not that far away. That life that you want is way more attainable than you think. People look at my position like, damn, he's a billionaire. I'm not. He's a millionaire. I'm not. This stuff doesn't cost as much as you think. This watch doesn't cost as much as you think. This ring doesn't cost as much. Even these dogs don't cost as much as you think. Social media has you blinded in a sense to make you think that it's harder than what it really is, to think that it's untouchable. It is touchable. You can do it. You just got to believe in yourself. It all starts with the belief in yourself, because if you don't have the belief in yourself, you're not going to be willing to keep going when times get hard. You're not going to be willing to keep going after failure, after wanting to quit. You're not going to have the strength to keep going. I'm going to move right here. And that's okay, because not everybody's meant to win. If everybody was meant to win, it wouldn't be winning. We wouldn't want to win as much if everybody could have it. If everybody could have the watch, it wouldn't be the same. If everybody could have the Lambo, it wouldn't be the same. If everybody could have the penthouse, it wouldn't be the same. There's value in these things because not a lot of people can get it. How do you get what people don't have? Doing what they won't do. Do what they want to achieve what they can. I live by that shit every single day. Think about how many people are going to be out here recording right now on their balcony trying to give value for completely free to people that they've never even seen before. Not many people are going to do that. And not many people are going to do that on a consistent daily basis like I did. But I love you guys. And I just want to be the person that I wish I had a couple years ago. I'm not that old, much older than a lot of you guys. I might be younger than some of you guys. Just understand, age, that shit doesn't matter. It's just all about knowledge and application of the knowledge. Put in the work, study, back test, get the information, and work every single day. Build the best version of yourself, physically, financially, spiritually, all of the above. How you do one thing is how you do everything. I want you guys to live an abundant life. I don't want you to just be a successful, abundant trader, a profitable trader, a consistent, a disciplined trader. I want you to be a consistent, a profitable, patient, a relentless individual. I just want you to be the best version of yourself, because if you could be the best version of yourself, the money's going to come. You don't make the money from focusing on how to make the money. You make the money from doing the thing that's going to make the money. How do you make money in trading? Have a system, have an edge, good risk management, emotional control, and confidence in yourself and your system. And then it's just a probability game. It's just a number game at that point. Just making the numbers make sense. But I just want to keep it short. It's going to be a nice little short vlog. No trades today. Went to the beach. Got a couple things. I got a new cologne also. I got a Dior cologne. But yeah, besides that, this is a cool little Monday. Good little start to the week. I got to enjoy the weather. I'm just enjoying being alive. I'm grateful to be here, grateful to be able to give value to you guys, grateful to have such a big audience of people that just care about improving, that care to see what I do on a daily basis. It's a blessing, and I truly don't underestimate it, and I truly appreciate all of it. Sky's the limit, no days off. If you want to work with me one-on-one, you can click the link in the description. The first link, you can apply to see if you're going to be a good fit. If you are a good fit, I will see you soon. And for the people that don't want to work with me one-on-one, second link in the description, the free trading training will teach you the 3 steps to becoming a consistently profitable trader for completely free. I love you guys. I'm going to see you in tomorrow's daily video. This lightning's been going crazy. But yeah, shout out to the lightning. No cap.